standing on the edge of football miracle. After 9 matches in the FIFA World Cup qualifiers, Nigeria's dream of reaching the 2026 World Cup is still alive, but banging on the thread. The equation is tough but not impossible. With one game left, a decisive clash against Benin in Uyo, Nigeria can still qualify. So today, we are breaking it down clearly and simple. 5 ways the Super Eagles can still make it to the 2026 World Cup. If you love Nigerian football, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's count down the path to glory. Now let's look at Group C standings. Let's look at the table. This is how Group C stands for. After 9 games, Benin have played 9 games. They have 5 wins, they have 2 draws, they've lost 2 games, their goal difference is 5, and they have 17 points. South Africa have played 9 games, 4 wins, 3 draws, lost 2 games, a goal difference is 3 and 15 points. Nigeria have played 9 games as others, won 3 games, drew 5 games, lost 1 game, and goal difference is 3 with 14 points. And Rwanda has 9 points. Rwanda has played 9 games rather, won 3, drawn 2, lost 4, minus 1 goal difference and 11 points. Lesotho also too with played 9 games, won 2 games, draws 0 games, loses 4, minus 4. 9 points on the table, while on the bottom of the table we have Zimbabwe with 9 games played, as with others 7 lost 6, won none of the games, drawn 5, lost 4, and they have 5 points. Only one team from each group qualifies automatically for the World Cup, and for Nigeria to get that spot, everything now depends on their final match against Benin and South Africa result. Nigeria must beat Benin, no excuse. Let's start with the obvious first step. There's no shortcut, no backdoor, no maybe for qualifying to the World Cup. They must beat Benin. A draw out, a loss finished, only a win keeps the dream alive. Beating Benin would take Nigeria from 14 points to 17 points, the same as Benin. That's when goal difference comes into play. So what kind of win does Nigeria need? Not just a 1-0 scrappy through. They need a statement victory. A 2-goal or more margin changes everything, because right now Benin's goal difference is 5 plus 5. Nigeria is plus 3. A win by 2, Nigeria overtakes them. Example, if Nigeria wins 2-0, the goal difference becomes plus 5, Benin drops to plus 3, and boom, Nigeria jumps above them. What's the first and biggest key? Win big against Benin. Way number 2, hope South Africa doesn't win. Here is what is tricky. Even if Nigeria beats Benin, South Africa can still spoil the party. Why? Because South Africa currently sits on the 15 points, just 1 behind the Benin, 1 ahead of Nigeria. If they win the final game, they reach 18 points and qualify automatically. So Nigeria needs the help from somewhere else. They need South Africa to either draw or lose the final game. Let's break it down. If South Africa wins, they'll finish on 18 points. They qualify. If South Africa draws, they finish on 16. Nigeria can pass them with a win. If South Africa loses, they stay on 15. Nigeria flies past them. So the sound way Nigeria can qualify is simple. South Africa must draw points. A draw, a lose will open the door for Super Eagles to sneak through. Way number 3, win by 2 plus goals to help with goal difference. Okay, let's talk maths, because it could decide Nigeria's fate. If Nigeria beats Benin, both teams will have 17 points. They will go straight to goal difference. Currently, Benin has plus 5, Nigeria has plus 3. Here's how each result will change. If Nigeria win by 1 goal, they will have plus 4. The new goal difference will be plus 4. Tied, and a tie will depend on goals scored. Now, if Nigeria win by 2 goals, goal difference will be plus 5. New goal difference will be plus 3. For Benin will be plus 3. Nigeria overtakes Benin. Nigeria win by 3-1. New goal difference will be plus 5. For Benin will be plus 3. Nigeria overtakes Benin. If Nigeria win 4-2 plus 5 for Nigeria goal difference, Benin will have plus 3, and Nigeria overtakes Benin. So the magic number is a 2-goal win. That's the result that would leave Nigeria on top of the group. if South Africa don't win. In other words, Nigeria 2-0 win against Benin could send the Super Eagles to the World Cup. That's why this game is not just about winning, it's about winning big. Way number 4, the goal scored on tiebreaker. Let's imagine the toughest scenario. Nigeria wins 1-0. Both teams finish on 17 points and both on +4 goal difference. What happens next? FIFA next tiebreaker is goals scored. So if Nigeria has scored more goals overall than Benin in the qualifiers, they will still take the top spot even if the goal difference is tied. That means every goal counts, every chance matters. Even scoring late goals in the match that's already won could be the difference between going to the World Cup or matching home. That's why it isn't just a tactical game, it is a psychological battle. The players must stay ruthless until the final whistle. Way number 5, the Nigerian spirit never give up. Now let's talk about something beyond maths, something unique about Nigeria, the never die spirit. History has shown it again and again. When the Super Eagles are pushed the wall, the rise. Remember the 1994 AFCON final comeback, Nigeria came back. Remember the 1996 Olympic when nobody gave us a chance against Brazil and Argentina, yet we won gold. That's what this team needs now. It's about playing with fire, with pride and belief. Every pass, every tackle, every sprint must show that hunger. The Super Eagles can still write a new chapter, but it depends on the fight, the attitude and the unity on the pitch against Benin. For the fans, this campaign has been emotional, frustrating draws, missed chances, and moments of hope. But Nigerians don't stop believing. All across Lagos, Abuja, Benin City, Port Harcourt, the talk is the same. Can we still qualify? The answer is yes. It is difficult, but it is possible. One perfect night, one united team, one victory that changes everything. So here's the summary. 5 ways Nigeria can qualify. Beat Benin, no excuses. Hope South Africa don't win by 2 or more goals to top by goal difference. The outcome of the Benin, in case if we win by 1 goal, play with the Nigerian spirit that is never giving up. So let's see what happens. We wish the Super Eagles of Nigeria success. If you believe in them, comment with believe. If your faith is still alive, comment with believe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Super Eagles updates, because win or lose, the team represents the heart of Africa and will stand behind them always.